Hello guys, my name is Ashish and welcome in today's video again. So this is the second video I'm making. Sorry for the mess at the back, but in second video for the driving lesson, what we're gonna learn is how to manipulate the steering wheel and how much do we need to turn, and while we're going around, how to judge a bit of your car senses. So you need to have a better idea and understanding of where your car is. So that's what we're going to learn today. So if I get outside and show you, I've not parked this properly out of the bay, so it's just a bit outside. So if you don't have a good understanding, this is what you're gonna end up doing. Even if you try to park it, it's gonna end up being like this. So you don't want to do this thing. So how to judge on the sides and where your car is, that's what you need to look for. So now we are parked as well here, and I want to show how we do the steering manipulation a little bit. So when the best idea of the steering wheel you get when you're actually moving. So if I'm turning left, how much do I need to turn? Like this much or this much or this much? I don't know. So the best is, like, when we driving forward, I will just try to manipulate a bit and see how much do I need to go. If I have to turn right, I will just do this much. Maybe I need more, so I will do this. If I need less, I will just do this. So the best idea of the steering wheel, you will get how much to turn around in a parking space like this. So I'm turning my steering wheel, I need a bit more, and that's it. So if I have to go next to him, so should I just move this much? Can I go? Not really. Now maybe yes. So if I go enough close, now I'm getting very close to the car here. So what I will try to do is I will try to straight up my wheel a bit. Yeah, and then I will turn. So half of my car is gone. I will turn this way and turn that around again. So now I have enough space and I'm getting close to the car as well. And how I'm going to park, the main thing I was talking about was like when I match my mirror to the next car. So in one go you can go, oh sorry, that's okay. So in one go you can actually park the vehicle just next to another one by looking around. And let me just go back. And now if I have to go back, when do I start turning my wheel? I would try when half of my car is actually out. Now if I turn my old steering wheel, I'm not gonna hit the car, definitely. So I will try to keep manipulating whenever I'm steering to get the best idea how much do you need to turn. And the best place to learn the steering wheel and getting familiar with the manipulations, how much do you need to do and how much you don't, is basically in a parking space. So if you practice that one more time, let's say how much, if I take left turn, this much is enough. Maybe if you think it's going forward a bit more, I will just turn this much now. Now I think that is enough and it's moving left now with that enough speed. If I turn this a bit more, it will start turning left sharp. So I didn't need that. I will just like do on the other side. That's it. It's going straight. I'll just turn right now just to see how it is. And okay, let's try if I have to go in between the spaces. If you see my steering is turned right, and if I'm going straight, it's turning towards this car here, but I don't want that, so I will just do like this, straight. And now I'm still going forward, but I'm towards that side, so I'm gonna do a bit on the left now, and I've judged my right hand side and that's been gone. Now I will keep doing my steering wheel a bit straight, and that's it. So if I see again my mirrors are perfectly aligned. These cars are smaller, so they can actually go forward. My car's front is a bit longer, so I would not. Now if I have to come straight, I'm just going back and I realize that my steering wheel is straight, so I can just keep straight and just come outside very easily, even faster. Okay, so that was fine about my steering wheel. Now if I have to turn to the right, this much is enough to get out here? Not really, I'm getting close to that, so I have to maybe turn a bit more. So it's still not enough, I have to turn a bit more, and now this was enough to get me out of this position here. Okay, now I will keep doing it straight. Sometimes when you do a turn and the car is moving, let's say I've turned this right, and if you do leave my steering wheel straight, it will come back to its straight position automatically. It's always the case. So if I'm turning around, let's say do the right turn and leave this, and it will come straight itself. Okay, it is in your cars as well. You might not notice it, but whenever you give a turn and you turn around, let me just go to the other side as well. Same with the when you're doing the reverse as well. When you keep moving, it won't do it when you're standing, but when you're moving, it will just come back to its original straight position. Let's say it's turned all the way right now, and when I do it, it's just going to come straight. I'm not touching it, it will come automatically. It's with every car. Now it is just started moving forward. Okay, so when you take out of a turn and you don't realize when to go straight, you just leave this steering wheel, it will come back to its original place as well. So hopefully you liked the video and you understood a little bit more. Let me just park here quickly, and that's about it. I'm parked now, so hopefully you liked the video and you understood some things which would be helpful. And keep watching. Give it a subscribe if you like the video and you like. Please comment down below what you want to see next, and I will make second, third video soon about the next lesson. So press the bell icon as well to keep the notification when you have the third one. So drive safe and peace.